What's up, guys? Welcome back. We're working on this 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500. It is a 4x4 and it is the TrailBoss edition. We already went ahead and installed a full throttle suspension lift, 9-inch lift. It's going to be using 35-inch tires on 24x14 American Force wheels. So let's show you what we got. Starting off with the front, we went ahead and added these drop-down strut spacer. Pretty sure that's probably what it's called. If not, we can correct that on the video. Also has new spindles. This guy's tie rod in, front cross member, and rear cross member there with the sway bar drop down brackets. Now, this has already been installed. We've been working on so many projects. We didn't have a chance to do, the install phase of it like we normally like to do. But we wanted to show you this lift. Pretty sure a lot of you guys are going to be interested in buying these trucks and doing a lift. So this is what it looks like. For the front end, pretty much everything's the same as the previous years. You always have your spindles, drop down cross members like I mentioned earlier. And since this is a 4x4, this is part of the front differential here, all in there. And it has these drop down brackets. So that's really common as well. But of course, this is 2019 model, so this has all been redesigned. One thing also that GM did for this year that they didn't do on the other years is that the alignment is done on the bottom, unlike before that it was done on the upper control arm here. If you notice, there's no adjustment back here, so this guy doesn't do the alignment anymore, which is pretty cool, pretty neat. So far the kit worked really well. Everything came together really nicely. It's in a black finish. We're working on a black vehicle, so this works out really nice. You can always powder coat it. That's an option that's out there available to you guys, depending if you're doing it yourself or you're having a shop do it or having us do it. We always do offer different options to our customers. But overall, this kit's really nice right out the box. For the wheels and tires, the customer opted to use 24x14 American Force wheels. If I'm not mistaken, these are called Kash. And he's running 35s by 13.5 by 24 amp MT tires. So these complement each other very well. It's a nice thread pattern. And the wheels have a nice design as well. Can't wait to have these installed on the vehicle and show you how that looks. Okay, so I know you guys might have a couple of questions of the full throttle suspension kit. How do we like it? How did it install? All the commonly asked questions, I guess. And yes, we really did like the kit. It installed very well. We didn't have many issues, to be honest with you. The full throttle suspension crew was really nice in helping us out with our tech support. So the couple of questions that we did have, them guys came through and helped us out. So I do recommend them for that. That was really simple. They made it very simple is what I'm trying to say for the issues that we had. But other than that, the kit works really well. It's going to ride really smooth from my understanding. Of course, as you guys see, it's still up on the lift. We've got to align it and then do the test drive, install the wheels and all that whatnot. So I hope to do a little follow-up on how the test drive went and the alignment as well. One thing that I did want to mention, we do get guys and gals, whatever, that message on us that we didn't show a certain part of an installation or whatnot. I did want to mention that our videos are not really a how-to videos. What we aim to do is show you what we do. In other words, the type of work that we offer, the type of brands we use, and give you good insight on the brands themselves, a little bit of tips here and there from time to time when you see our videos. We do have a couple of videos that we do have steps on how to that are on our own products. But for the most part, these videos are really just showcasing our work. Just kind of wanted to let you guys know in case you guys were wondering. If you're new to this channel, you want to see some really nice trucks, of course, make sure you follow and subscribe. Like and subscribe so you can be up to date with our latest products and videos that we're showing. For the back, straightforward. For the back, it's pretty straightforward, guys. It's going to be blocks, U-bolts, shocks, and a couple of different brackets. You can see one of the brackets there. And then there's another one up top in the back. So that takes care of the back. Really nice. I did mention this is a TrailBoss. So the TrailBoss is actually, it's lifted, if I'm not mistaken, 2 inches all the way around. Could be wrong, but from my understanding, that's what it is. That is 2 inches lifted than the regular 4x4 trucks. So this one is a TrailBoss. So this is pretty much like a 7-inch lift compared to where it was factory. Hey guys, just want to mention that we have partnered up with the Firm Financing. You can now use a Firm Financing at Reklez.com, and that can be used with any product that we offer on our website. You simply just click on the product that you would like, and it gives you a small option of what your monthly payment would be. So that allows you to buy now and pay later. Again, this is through a Firm Financing at Reklez.com. Make sure you check that out, as it is a very convenient and easy payment option for you guys. All right, guys, just want to send a quick congratulations to Philip Little. That's Philip Little. He is the person that won our free giveaway of shirt and keychain. So congratulations to him, and thank you to everybody that participated. We're going to go ahead and do this again. So we're going to be giving away a free shirt and keychain to the first person that comments Reklez Crew. Once again, that's Reklez Crew. The first person to comment that will win a free t-shirt and keychain that will be shipped to you free of charge. Okay guys, and here you have it. This is the end result of the 9-inch full throttle suspension 9-inch lift on the 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500 TrailBoss. Now, I don't think I touched base too much on the TrailBoss, or maybe I did mention it earlier. If I did, and sorry about that guys, just making sure you guys get the right information. The TrailBoss does come with a factory lift kit of 2-inch all the way around, if I'm not mistaken. So the reason why that's important, whenever you order your lift, make sure you do mention that it is a TrailBoss. It is a little bit different than the regular 4x4 1500 models, and that's for both the GMC and the Silverados. Of course, the GMC, I think they're called the AT4 if I'm not mistaken. But just want to let you guys know, make sure you do select the correct option when ordering your lift kit. Other than that, we're really happy with the end results. The alignment turned out really great. It just came back from being test driven, and it looks wonderful, rides wonderful, really smooth. I mean, this kit came out exactly how we wanted it. It looks really nice, really level. I hope you can see that nice on the video as well. And as always, if you guys have any questions, make sure you give us a call, 832-770-4366. That is the best way to get a hold of us. Once again, that's area code 832-770-4366. Make sure to visit our website, www.reklez.com, for all your suspensions needs. And as always, thank you for watching. God bless. One thing that I did want to touch base on is that we get asked, especially on these wheels and tires, you know, if it's a really stretched look. Hopefully you guys can notice, but it's not stretched. If you notice the tires here, and the lip of the rim is here, so you still have a little bit of what we call lip guard. In other words, the tire will actually get damaged before your rim does.